Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at how to create or generate an AIESEC email. It's something simple. If you are already an AIESEC member and you have an account with AIESEC.com, then you just head on to Expert and generate your email from there. But I'll lead you through how to create or how to sign into AIESEC. First of all, AIESEC is a youth run organization, and let's go. I'll tell you more about this. Let's read about AIESEC in their website. So I'll type AIESEC, AIESEC.org. So AIESEC.org. It's for leadership for every young person. So their programs are explore teaching, explore interning, and explore volunteering. So here's it, the AIESEC way. It's a global platform for young people to develop their leadership potential through practical experience of many kinds, including internships, volunteering opportunities, and many more. So it is non-governmental and it is founded in 1948. All right, let's click on become a member. So I'll come up here, become a member. So this is what you do when you want to sign up to become an AIESEC member. And various universities in Ghana or all over the world, yeah, have AIESEC groups that you can join. And after joining, they have we have formal procedures or processes that you go through to become a member of this group. So this is just the online registration or you signing up for an account with AIESEC. So I'll click on become a member, and over here I'll select my country. So Ghana. Currently, recruitment is not ongoing in Ghana as at the time I am making this video. So when I click on Ghana and I go to proceed, you see that they tell me that, oh no, we are not recruiting in this country or territory at the moment. Okay, so I'll just close it, and assuming recruiting is ongoing, you'll see campaigns on your various campuses about AIESEC, and you can contact the leaders over there on your campus, and you just follow the procedures to become a member. And I'm going straight to the second part of the video, that is signing up to expert. So I'll just type expert.isec, then I'll click on it for it to load. So to anyone watching this video who doesn't know what Expire is about, Expire is a global platform for managing opportunities, people, and committees. So this platform is for AIESEC. Yep. So it's a vital tool for AIESEC members. Yep. Let me say that. So you track your application, your committee management, and personal profiles. So here I'll click on this and log in. Okay, so if this is your first time coming across this channel, I would like you to hit that subscribe button so that you get notified anytime I post any new content. You can share this to any AIESEC member who doesn't have an AIESEC email, and you can leave a comment below in the comment section. So if this is your first time coming across this channel, I would like you to hit that subscribe button so that you get notified anytime I post any new updates, and you consider giving or liking this video and leave a comment in the comment section below in case you have any question or concern needs to be addressed. All right, so Expert has loaded now. So I'll log in with my email that I used to sign up on AIESEC.org. I'll log in with that same email and password. So I'll save that on my device. So I'll just enter my shortcode. And yes, here we go. Okay, so this is taking a bit of time to load. Let's wait while it comes. All right, so now it's still loading. Okay, now it is done. All right, so I'll just head straight to uh, the that's top right corner here, and I'll click on details. I'll click on details. So I already have an AIESEC email. This is it. And so you not see the button or the option to generate or create a new email here. You are entitled to only one email. And for the sake of you watching, you don't have an email. So what you have to do is you just click on you see a button here, create email. So when you click on this button, it will ask you to enter your username, and after doing that, you send the request or you submit the request, and they will give you a notification. They'll ask your leader to confirm after that. That's your MCB. When the person confirms, then you get a notification to reset your password. All right, so that's how to go about it. And you can also edit your personal details here, like your date of birth, your phone number, your school, and all those stuff. You can update your details here as well. Okay, so we've come to the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget, remember to subscribe, like, and share to a colleague or a friend to also benefit. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.